Good day. Today I'm going to show how you can set up the two-factor authenticator for your PX Portal users. First, click on the PX Portal button. Go to Configuration. Under Authentication Configuration, you can go ahead and turn on the OTP or username, PWD, to turn on the authenticator. We can now go ahead and test out the OTP if it works. Employee can now go ahead and log in. If the employee doesn't have contact details on their account, this message will show up. If the employee have contact details, the system will then ask to verify using their phone number or their email on file. And that is how you can set up 2FA on your PX Portal. Thank you so much for watching.
See you on the next video.